Y'all ever see a traffic circle like this? It's not really a circle. My buddy knows the name of it. I have no clue. So you get on the highway that way. Oh, I gotta stop. Here, we do like a figure 8 thing here with the other traffic. So it looks crazy to me. And why they have sidewalks in the middle, I don't know. But this is what they did in Ephrata to alleviate traffic conditions. So here your traffic goes, so we'll go to the left to go right, and they're going to the left to go right also. I mean, we're not going to the right, we're supposed to stay straight. But I guess this is what I guess it's working. Here we go. And now this person's turning left to go onto the highway, whereas I'm going straight through here. All right, made it through. Taco Bell.